Ever pondered why a lie, told repeatedly, starts sounding like the truth? This conundrum is not as perplexing as it seems when you comprehend the workings of the illusory truth effect. The illusory truth effect is a psychological phenomenon that makes us more likely to believe a statement is true the more we hear it, regardless of its actual validity. It's a mental shortcut our brains take as we naturally associate repetition with truth. But why does our brain do this? The answer lies in the cognitive bias called processing fluency. This is our brain's tendency to prefer information that is easy to process or understand. When we encounter a statement repeatedly, our brain recognizes it, making it easier to process. Thus, we tend to perceive it as more truthful. You see, our brains are excellent pattern recognizers. They love familiarity. So, when we hear something over and over again, it becomes familiar, and our brain automatically assigns it a higher truth value. It's like our mind is saying, "Hey, I've heard this before, so it must be true." But the reality is, just because something is familiar doesn't make it factual. The danger of the illusory truth effect lies in its potential to disseminate misinformation and manipulate public opinion. This phenomenon is particularly potent in today's age of social media, where repeated exposure to false information can shape our beliefs and decisions. So, how can we combat this effect? Firstly, by framing suspected lies with the truth. When we encounter a statement, we should compare it to what we know to be true. Secondly, by preemptively debunking misinformation. If we are aware that a piece of information is false, we should make an effort to correct it. Lastly, by becoming our own fact-checkers. It is crucial to actively evaluate the truthfulness of information and rely on reliable sources. In summary, the illusory truth effect is a psychological phenomenon where repeated statements, whether true or false, seem more valid. It's driven by our brain's love for familiarity and ease of processing. It's a powerful tool for spreading misinformation, particularly through social media. But we can counteract it by framing lies with the truth, debunking misinformation, and becoming our own fact-checkers. Remember, repetition doesn't equal truth, and familiarity doesn't equal factuality. Question, verify, and then believe. After all, the truth is out there, but it's on us to find it.